The F1E3 error on a Maytag washer indicates a problem with the appliance control unit or related wiring. This issue can arise from various causes, including a power glitch, a faulty control board, or a wiring problem. To resolve the F1E3 error code, several solutions can be attempted. Firstly, a hard reset can be performed to fix a power surge issue by switching the washer off, removing the plug from the power source, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in and switching it on, which may clear the error code. Additionally, inspecting the control board for dirt and cleaning or replacing it if necessary can also resolve the issue. It is also essential to inspect the connections around the board, fixing any loose connections and replacing damaged wires as needed. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to seek professional help by powering off the washer, unplugging it, and calling a professional to diagnose and fix the problem.